Hey guys. It's like very challenging. Can you guys hear me through this thing? I feel like there's some kind of audio coming out of here, right? Okay, it's very quiet. So this is basically no setup at all.
What's your album called?
Isn't that the question? No, it's called Love Songs for Idiots. It's based on personal experiences. Okay, so I don't know, I was out there drinking with Lynn Ulbricht. Do you guys know about Ross Ulbricht?
Yes.
Of course, yes. Well, there's his mom. If you guys know any political people, you want to bribe some, politicians, that's the lady to talk to. No, I'm just kidding. Don't bribe anybody.
Don't remember that.
It's definitely a joke, obviously. Anyway, but really, if you know any politicians. No, I'm just kidding. All right, so I didn't really think about the whole preparation of performing today. And so Lynn and I were outside and we were playing my new music video. So this whole album is all about love and self-reflection and self-love and just being oh, stop choosing losers. and so, there's that part. But most of my career I've spent talking about freedom, right? Liberty and different ideas of using technology to gain that. So on Friday, I have a new music video coming out. This is what I wanted to play. Also, because I've been drinking. And so anyway, I taped the video though in Warsaw. When I was a kid, I used to go to Warsaw and it was all communist and horrible. And everybody thought I was so amazing because I was from America. And it was my first taste of celebrity and I didn't want to let it go. Now when you go around, people are like, oh, screw you. And it's really not the same kind of nice, warm and fuzzy feeling. So when I went there in the fall of last year, I had written this song called What You Gonna Do? And the song is a little bit inspired by, do you guys know that Alexander Solzhenitsyn line from the Gulag Archipelago paraphrase, the line between good and evil passes through every heart, right? And that kind of question comes to each of us. And when I was a kid, I would go to Poland and I would hear about how the Polish people really fought back against the Nazis. Everybody else was oh, just call in, sorry, we didn't mean to offend you. And Polish people were screw you, and they fought them really hard. And I feel like there's a lot of questionable things going on in the world right now, and I really don't care to be reminded of those times that my grandparents went through. So anyway, when I was in Poland, I decided to tape the music video there, because I thought it was appropriate. Warsaw was left 85% in rubble, right? And they actually had this thing called the Warsaw Uprising that a lot of people don't know about necessarily. And they lost over 200,000 people just fighting back. Was that worth it? I don't really know. I've thought about that a little bit. Are you supposed to fight back? I don't know. But anyway, so this song is about that. I'm just remembering this song, so let's do this. Okay. What you gonna do when they come for you? Are you gonna lay down and die? Tell me, officer, tell me, what did I do? Was it 'cause I was speaking my mind? What is the land and are we still in? Can we go and change the tide? Tell me what to do when they come for you. Tell me what to do when they come for you. I thought we were free inside. Are you gonna wait? Will you be prepared when they set the world on fire? Did you learn the truth? I know that you're scared, 'cause who would wanna fight for a lie? What is the land and are we still in? Can we go and change the tide? Tell me what to do when they come for you. Tell me what to do when they come for you. I thought we were free inside. Answer the call, this could be the end. Defend our sacred ground. The devil will fall, he isn't your friend, buying souls by the pound. What is the land and are we still in? Can we go and change the tide? Tell me what to do when they come for you. tell me what to do when they come for you. Thought we were free inside. Give me your hand, together we stand. We fight side by side. God has a plan, come sing with the band. Open up your mind. What is the land and are we still living? Can we go and change the tide? Tell me what to do when they come for you. Tell me what to do when they come for you. I know what to do when they come for you, 'cause I know we're free inside. Well, if you guys insist, I will do another song. No, actually, so what we're gonna do is actually, I could do the Bitcoin jingle because that gives you the likes. That gives you the likes. No. I need to make you guys cry. No, seriously, the Silk Road song is a really important song that I always like to play at different crypto shows because not everybody knows about that history, right? And people think like, oh, Silk Road, super sketchy. But really, Silk Road represented a viewpoint that a lot of us had. It was like a heartbeat of the crypto community. More based on autonomy and like ownership itself versus just like, oh, we need to smoke weed. Like that wasn't really what it was about. So when I wrote the Silk Road song, at first I wasn't really that sympathetic. I was like, it seems like kind of like a risky idea. But then once getting to know Lynn and getting to know Ross and really kind of understanding the underpinning philosophy, I felt like it was an important thing to represent to the community. So here's. There was a man who did. Oh shit! Sorry. Let's try that again. There was a man who did the unspoken. He looked for freedom from the violence. No one is perfect when there's new ground broken. A mess is made and someone gets blamed. He had a dream of harmony as you wish to live out your own. We cannot stand for this, cannot have you fall along the Silk Road. This ain't the movies, there's a war in the streets. The innocent are in jail. We pray for justice and we wanna be free. And hope the truth will prevail. He had a dream of harmony as you wish to live out your own. We cannot stand for this, cannot have you fall along the Silk Road. We don't have hope, we cannot quit. Don't be afraid. We have a voice, and this is it. Let the light show the way. He had a dream of harmony as you wish to live out your own. We cannot stand for this, cannot have you fall cannot stand for this, cannot have you fall along the Silk Road. Thank you. If you guys haven't signed with your Moroz petition, or if you have like family members that are just like, I'll do whatever you say, sign that petition.
All right, guys, enjoy the laugh.
Thank you.